The New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar is looking a little bit more interesting because it has trended for long periods of time. We've got an inverted head and shoulders pattern there. I don't know if you guys can see that. There is the left shoulder, there is the head, there is the right shoulder. And if this closes above this pivot, then this will be confirmed. And head and shoulders, inverted head and shoulders in a bull trend is a continuation pattern. This is a good sign that we may see a continuation to the upside. The reason why I wouldn't look to trade this just yet is because we've got the figure 1, which is acting as a major level of resistance. If it clears the figure 1, then I will look to start trading this. Weekly above both moving averages, daily above both moving averages. What I don't like about the New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar is, again, very choppy. Deep pullbacks, not a very good ride. We want smooth, clean rides. If this structure continues from here, if this structure continues above the figure 1, then I may look to trade it. The other thing that you want to be aware of is this. Every good trader has a breakout strategy and a pullback strategy. Every good trader has a trader that is that you have for various market conditions, which is why robots don't work. If you're into signal services, stay away from them. They don't work. What you want is to understand your market conditions and then have the right strategy to take advantage of those conditions. So looking at the way the New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar pulls back and then trends, this may be more suited for a pullback. So when price clears the figure 1, if it continues above and then pulls back and we get a good entry at the figure 1, then you may want to use a pullback strategy on this apart from a breakout strategy. Again, let the market dictate what to do. Okay, so that is my take, guys, on the market. Ultimately, not a lot. The impact has been insignificant and it's been absorbed by the market now. As a trader, stay calm. Don't get caught up in the hysteria. That's what the news is for. The news is to create hysteria. The news is to keep us in fear, to have doubt on our decisions. But if you look at the market and let the market dictate what to do, and if you start understanding the natural rhythm of the market, you can remove the whole media system. You can remove the banking system. You can remove all of these institutions. This is empowerment. This is empowerment of your money, and this is empowerment of your time. You have to allow yourself the time to make this work. You can't be blinded by the money. You can't be blinded by the promises of getting out of the system in the next 6 months. It's not going to happen. There's only few people that get rich from those promises, and those are the people that sell the systems.